like to clean this stuff. I like to do it in the solvent first before it goes in the machine. Get to my tool without getting my skin on it, because I gotta suit up for this. Get my respirator and all that shit on. Because it's like, you know, you'll, like on this, let me find it. I've already started to clean it pretty good. Like this here, that black stuff, you put it in the hot tank, it won't come off. I mean, you can brake clean, the brake clean will eat it right off. But when you aerosolize the solvent, oh, I gotta get away from it. But you can see how clean that gets it. It's just like a brake cleaner, but it creates that giant cloud of death that I don't want to go nowhere near, man. I usually have my respirator and like a leather mop, like a butcher mop, because I don't want it on any of my skin and breathing in, or like getting on my thumb.